Hey guys, SoundKiller here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a transformer style growl here with Serum and FL Studio. Let me just set his default skin. So I'm going to load here a growl sample of mine just to get started. Show you guys how to do this transformer style growl. I'm just gonna choose a frequency area that I like. This is so for the growl, we already have the first part, which is this. I'm just gonna turn this off, and I'm just gonna use the mod wheel for this. And the LFO, I'm gonna make a shape like this, have it like this. Yeah, I like to center this around here, just to do something. It's already sounding to sound very transformer-ish, so let's continue with this. You can remove this and just do like some FM things like this. To give it a more like phasey effect as well, you can like enable a detune with zero random. Have it around 6. The delay can also do like some very cool effects if you like, for example, set it around something like that. As well as the reverb, just having it like 0 decay and 0 size with a bit of wet. I'm gonna change this to a preset I have here, which is called rhythm preset. I'm just gonna automate this like something like this. Have this like this, something like this. And then you can just like post-process this just a bit more just to give it a more fuller sound. Again, just a little bit of reverb just to get a more size to the sound. And just make it a bit louder. You can do this just by adding some distortions or OTT or whatever you guys prefer. You can also like make this very short just by doing shorter automation like this. And there you have it, a transformer growl in FL Studio for your dubstep tracks. So, if you guys like this tutorial, always remember to leave a like, comment down below, tips, suggestions, your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe just to follow and keep up with the tutorials. I'll be trying to make more tutorials. So, thanks for watching. Until next time.